With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, today's my question is given below is a diagram of the cell as seen. Number the microscope after having been placed in a solution. Give the technical term for the solution in which the cell was placed. So now this is the plant cell because it having cell wall. So this is the nucleus of the plant cell and this is the chloroplast and this is the vacuole. Vacuole is large in size that is present in the plant cell, and last is the hypertonic solution. So question is, give the technical term for the solution in which the plant cell was placed. That is the hypertonic solution. So now we discuss about hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution is that solution that contains more dissolved particles such as salts and other electrolytes. So when plant cell is placed in the hypertonic solution, the cell becomes plasmolysed, and this process is called plasmolysis. So what is plasmolysis? In which the contraction and shrinkage of protoplasm of the plant cell, contraction or shrinkage of protoplasm of a plant cell due to loss of water. So how to prevent from the plasmolysis? To place into hypotonic solution. So what is hypotonic solution? The example of hypotonic solution are plain water. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.